Brasil. Aí eu vou chamar. Tá tudo tampado, né? No vídeo passado eu fiz 3 horas de live. E escolhi só os ciclistas, né? Eu até brinquei dos bicicleteiros. E agora eu escolhi cada um de uma como é que é? Especificação, né? Montanha, tem plano, e tem vários tipos dos bicicleteiros, né? E aí agora foi diferente. Aí sim, a montanha eu senti uma maior dificuldade. Então eu vou trazer para vocês todas elas, né? E vou continuar jogando. Me amarrei no jogo, mas ainda tô aprendendo, porque ele é pura estratégia. Mas é isso. Não sei quanto que é o preço deles, mas não é um jogo que vale a pena você pagar mais do que R$ 50. É um jogo você pegar ele em promoção. Mais do que isso, não vale a pena não, tá bom? Essa é a análise aí do Galego dos Games. E vamos continuar com o jogo aí. Tem muita coisa pra mostrar. Aí eu escolho um de Damon Hill. Escolho um Indie Print. O Teus. E escolho um Versailles. O Smith. Beleza, dá para escolher mais ainda. Então eu vou escolher. Eu escolhi o Piccoli, né? Deixa eu ver aqui um que é bom, a gente correu. Montanha. Vai descendo, né, cara? É melhor a gente ficar em cima. Ah, não, aqui tá tudo trancado. Cataldo. Aí vou escolher o Rio. Vou escolher esse aqui. Olha lá, 2 montanhas, pá. Fellini. Pronto. Como é que eu vou pra cá, velho? Eu quero o to go ali, cara. Já escolheu, pai. Não vai com o mouse? Ah, foi. Pronto, agora sim. A gente pode ir. Beleza. Aí a gente vai nesse com Teus. Certo? Vamos lá.
Hi guys, welcome to the briefing for this first stage. The main thing to grasp today is that the route is
Aí a
flat.
gente pode ir com Teus. Certo? Muito difícil, cara, esse jogo, velho. E aí, cachorrada? Agora o seguinte, esse aqui é montanha. Então é um dos dois aqui, ó. Eu vou nesse aqui.
Hello, cycling fans everywhere. The last climb counting towards the mountains classification may prove key in today's win. With its summit lying less than 8 kilometers from the finish, the punchers will have a golden opportunity to go on the attack and eliminate the riders who are fastest in the sprint. He was itching to have a go. He's already on the attack.
Guys, the last King of the Mountains climb is the decisive moment of the day. You've got to be well placed at that point.
A counter-attacker ready.
Como é que eu vou atacar, papito? Os caras abriram lá, ó.
Change of leader in the overall youth standings.
He's a good climber. His best chance of victory is to try a breakaway from far out.
Tá chegando, ó.
His teammates have already started the pursuit. No doubt aiming for a sprint finish.
5 quilômetros. Lá abriu, é.
Despite his youth, he's a rider not to be underestimated in the mountains. He still has room for improvement on the flat.
Watch out! You'll soon have no more energy for an attack. King of the Mountain sprint in 2 kilometers for the breakaway group.
We're already at the first classified climb of the day. There will be 2 points and 1 point to be scored at the top.
Agora a subida. Ah, o cara já passou, velho.
Here's the positions over the last climb.
Eu tô com gás, cara. Não marca ponto. O joguinho difícil, velho. Vamos colar nesse cara aqui.
In front, he's the best placed in the overall standings.
Allez les gars, courage!
Deixa eu olhar pra trás. Nossa, filho.
Good puncher, the Breton Cyril Gauthier is a rider with an attacking temperament. Puncher and good climber, he's a young rider to watch out for, despite his lack of true pace. Time gap stabilized.
A descida ele é cabulosa agora também, ó. Aí é nós quando pegar essa descida aqui, é. É agora, quer ver, ó?
The breakaway is 3 kilometers from the intermediate sprint. Here's the winner of the intermediate sprint.
There will be 5, 3, 2 and 1 point to be taken for the first 4 riders of the next King of the Mountains summit.
Cabuloso, velho. Galera só tá juntando fôlego, ó.
The peloton is riding hard. Stay well placed. King of the Mountain sprint in 2 kilometers for the breakaway group. He goes to the top of the climber standings.
Vai.
You must constantly try to shelter from the wind, so as not to consume energy. This is what allows a rider to edge clear at the end of the race. The breakaway is upping the tempo at the head of the race. It doesn't intend to be caught up that easily. Guys, don't forget to protect our leader. Communication is important. That's why we have TeamCom. His teammates are also taking part in the pursuit of the breakaway.
It's a third category climb that now waits the riders. 2 points will be awarded to the first rider to the top.
Um quilômetro e eu já tô acabado.
The feed zone is in sight for the head of the race. Riders will be able to pick up some nourishment. next climb is classified as third category. There will be 2 and 1 point available towards the polka dot jersey.
It's the leader's team that's taking on the chase of the breakaway.
Tô em 8º, cara. Oitavo, nono, 8º. Vamos botar aqui, 9º, 8º, 7º, 6º, 5º, 4º. Então tem 3 caras na frente. Ah, era. De novo, ó. Foi querer...
Here's the positions over the last climb. You're over-revving. Reduce the tempo or you'll pay the price.
Tá acabando o gás, né? E ele não para, cara. Ó, vai acabar. Vou ficar pra trás. Para. Isso, meu querido. Boa, meu querido.
In front, he's the best placed in the overall standings.
Tô em 10º, cara.
The gap between the peloton and the escapees is stable.
Enche coração. Isso, meu garoto. Mostra.
Ó, ficando pra trás, cara. Mas, né? Tinha que dar um gás no cara lá da frente. Mas o Ulisses tá indo bem, ó. Mano, não vou me arriscar não, cara. Trigésimo, cara.
The next two difficulties are ranked as third category. Each will thus earn 2 points and 1 point for the first 2 riders over the summit.
King of the Mountain sprint in 2 kilometers for the breakaway group.
Aqui aguenta, cara.
He's got his teammates
quarto.
riding because a rider who's dangerous for the stage victory has broken away.
Fica em quinto.
He's got his team riding because he's a favorite for the stage. You should get rid of him.
Passa lá. 1 quilômetro. Vamos ver aqui atrás.
The end of the stage is not far off. Stay awake. It will soon start to move in the peloton. The riders up front still have something left. They're upping the pace to try to hold out till the end. The breakaway is unlikely to go all the way, guys. Watch out for counter moves.
Poxa, por que que não vai?
He's being left behind. It's good news for the overall standings.
Que foi, cara? Que foi?
He asked his guys to maintain the tempo. Watch him. He must feel
Why?
able to win the stage.
Parou de funcionar o negócio.
Comme ça, les gars. Allez,
Parou de funcionar, cara.
go, 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 go. Allez, les gars, on continue. Allez, courage, on continue.
Parou de funcionar o controle.
Allez,
Aí tá de sacanagem.
allez, allez. Allez, plus vite.
Vai, vai!
Ouais.
Sei un mito! Forza!
Hop, 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 hop. Allez, 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 allez.
Furou o pneu?
Non mollare! Non
O que foi que aconteceu, cara?
Allez, les gars, courez.
A teammate has just been dropped. You can't count on him any longer.
Gars. Allez, 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 allez.
Non mollare, guardate! Più
Allez, on lâche rien.
non mollare!
Hop, 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 hop.
Coraggio, dai.
Allez, allez.
Vai,
Courage, continue.
Dai, dai, dai!
Allez, allez, allez.
Here's the positions over the last climb.
Não entendi essa não, na moral, velho.
Allez, allez.
Parou o controle, cara.
Coraggio, dai!
Continue.
Bravo!
Ouais.
Non mollare! Bravo! Continuate!
Apertei alguma coisa errada, ó.
The race is now onto a long downhill section that will quickly bring the riders to the foot of the last climb. A climb, as mentioned, that should prove decisive for stage victory.
Watch out! You'll soon have no more energy for an attack.
Allez, les gars, courage. Allez, allez.
Vou pegar esse cara aqui, velho.
The breakaways managing to hold off the peloton. The gap seems to have stabilized.
Cara, 148, velho. Tava bem pra caramba, velho.
Last time checked with a breakaway. 1 minute.
His team is riding for the overall standings. The front of the race will struggle to widen the gap.
Cadê os caras, né? Olha os caras ali, ó.
The riders are at the decisive point of this stage with the ascent of the Col sur Loup, a short climb but very steep, since the average percentage is 10%.
Come on, guys. You're soon going to have to position yourselves at the front. The final climb is coming up. It's important to be well placed. He's just fallen. That may cost him some time in the overall standings. King of the Mountain sprint in 2 kilometers for the breakaway group. The breakaway is unlikely to go all the way, guys. Watch out for counter moves.
30 seconds lead for the head of the race.
Parei demais, velho. Que mole, cara. Aí não classifica pro campeonato, cara.
The breakaway will, no doubt, go all the way, lads. But watch out for attacks in the closing kilometers. Here's the positions over the last climb. He'll be the new polka dot jersey. He can no longer be caught today.
Olha os caras ali, velho. Vai pegar aqueles caras lá.
He's trying to get out of the peloton. Watch out. Only 5 kilometers left for the man in front.
Change of leader in the overall youth standings.
Allez, plus vite.
Watch out, he's going on the attack. Counter-attack at the front of the peloton.
He's got his teammates riding because in front there's a rider who's dangerous to him in the overall standings.
There's only 1 kilometer to go for the men at the front. They'll have to settle it with a sprint.
Deixa eu pegar esse cara aqui, pra descansar.
Allez, courage les gars. Allez les gars, c'est bien. Allez les gars, on continue.
4 quilômetros ainda. Ó, o Felínio. E eu não tô vendo ninguém, cara. Dois quilômetros. Aí foi sacanagem, né?
This stage is his. He will climb onto the. He's amongst the lead. He tops the stack.
We had no real ambitions for the classification of this stage. The least that can be said is you didn't prove me wrong.
Para, velho. É, no ranking, ó.
It's the final stage, guys. The profile is special, with one major difficulty that should decide between the climbers. The scenario looks to be simple, and everything should be settled on the final climb. This is our last chance to try and take...